The campaign for the TTAADC 2026 elections has reached the grassroots of the 17th Pekwar-Jala Nagar constituency. Earlier today, Tipra Motha's nominated candidate Gita Debbarma launched an intensive door-to-door outreach program in the Mahanpur Village Committee area. During the visit, she was accompanied by a powerful team of veteran leaders, including sitting MLA Mahanpur Debbarma and former Minister Mewar Kumar Jamatia. The day-long campaign covered a wide geographical area, with the candidate visiting and holding small-scale meetings in Harimangal Para, Osni Para, and Rajkumar Para. The outreach further extended into Mahendra Para and Isan Thakur Para, concluding with detailed interactions in both the old and new Kala Thakur Para areas. Candidate Gita Debbarma met with numerous local families and eligible voters, engaging in one-on-one discussions regarding the party's vision for the indigenous community.
Chini Tipra Motha election campaign day to day coverage klai jongon bagi chini media friends election hambai asla jeng ini exactly je jaga tong tabu hungi chinogo Kala Thakur Para under the Mahanpur DC 17 Pekwar-Jala Nagar constituency o jaga jengkini 4ta para o jengkini hapka jo to para ona bela kheno full speed boni response jengmankha para chukti tin logi tongo o para rogo Mahendra Para bhani jengukha para chukti jengbai abor pore Isan Thakur aro para chukti Kala Thakur aro para chukti o bai Tipra Motha asole bela kheno Tipra Motha supporters increasing day to day yobon bagai Chini Bobagrani nahar mono borok khapur jago Bobagrani ideology Tipra Sandagi German Sandagi movement khai tongani obon borok poito chao enkai oboni bagino Tipra sarok tabuk balakan united hinimano united tongmani bagai duskang ADC bahaino jeng 100% jeng haino haitisa sarkar khanai hambai abo to ani selai norosute khangbai sabana social media tangi hingai norokha protokkho dorsi CM ni program kha Mia Chini Gabordi motor stand. Tinta constituency no tui 12 program khalakya. Engkai jototu IB ni report aro 450 ba 450 khai. Er moddhe phoji se busuk keba. TSR police bebag motayen khlaiya jaga program khlaime. Engkai media rok obviously one suk naiman nai. Chini day to day program BC wise program khlaimani a jaga sai chini 400 500 prothome thang baro kono nini nirapotta bahini rok krei swai jini voter rok simi tongo abo sohoje anuman khlainai mano je BJP no I rajyaniti prasarok isutei posondo khlaiya as because borok chini entity prasa chini manthai soklaine borok naiya na roman script ni bagi koksa na nini direct fund bagi koksa na land rights bagi koksa na nini 120 feet amendment na nini Tiprasa accord jata maharaja claimant kustam se borok saya hangkai bo issue no tei Tiprasa borok no ruktarnai so abono protokkho ebong porokho proman mangkhamia gabordi motor stand 450 jana borok kothoma baino chini manoniya mukhyamantri rajyoni aro program khlaima thanga jaka
Reported by Tipra from Pekwar-Jala, Chini Khorang.